Let's say you just received unfair feedback. Your heart races. You want to snap. What do? React or respond? Welcome to EQ for Success, your guide to mastering emotional intelligence at work. This is part 3. This course is brought to you by Mindtales. Use the ABC method. Aware, breathe, choose. Aware. The moment you feel emotionally charged, become aware of your internal state. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Where do I feel it in my body? What triggered it? Breathe. Before reacting, take a pause. Deep breathing helps regulate the nervous system, reduce cortisol, and allows your brain's logical center to take the lead. Try a few slow, deep breaths to gain clarity. Choose. Now that you're calm and grounded, choose your response consciously. Instead of reacting from emotion, respond with intention. What outcome do you want from this situation? What's the most constructive next step? This method turns impulsive reactions into mindful responses, helping you stay in control and aligned with your values, even in high-pressure moments. Think of a moment when you lost your cool. Replay it with the ABC strategy. How would that change the outcome? Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more bite-sized learning that empowers your growth.